Hello, beautiful spirits. This your girl, astrologist A. Siobhan or A. Siobhan. How you doing? And welcome to my channel on Inspirational Love 20 if you're on YouTube. If you're viewing this from my Instagram channel, on my HGTV, welcome, welcome, welcome. That my page on Instagram is astrologist underscore A. Siobhan. So this video is going to be regarding how I bless my candles. So I told you all I would come and show you how I bless the candles beforehand. Now, each candle that I have here, my green one, my white one, and also my black one, even when I buy them, I always sage them because you never know what type of energy was on the candle prior to you purchasing them, if they was done made in a factory where it was like negative energy, negative vibe, any type of negativity on it, you want to clear from the candle. So I always sage it. If you would like to see a video on how I sage them to clear the energy and to make sure that they're okay, ready for the step for me to bless them, just comment down below and I will do so for you. So what I do is I take each one of my candles after I have saged them and bless them. After I sage them, I let them sit for at least a day or two to, settle in its surroundings that it's in right now before I even use them after I sage them. I do that for 2 days. Then I take regular old extra virgin olive oil. I'm all about natural. Some people take it and put in some herbs and mix it. I have done that before, but for this, because of my specific intention for it, I don't want any herbs on it or anything. I'm just going to bless it and then put it be, write my intentions on it, and then when I take my spiritual bath, I would light them and then marinate, let them burn into for 20 to 30 minutes. Some people burn them all the way down. It's up to you. It's whatever your preference is. Me, I just let it burn during my spiritual bath and then set the intentions and the intentions to be known on it. During the new full moon that's coming up on April the 5th. These are what these candles are for. So then I just take olive oil, and I've already meditated prior to doing this as well. So I've already saged them. I already meditated over them and asking, my spirit guides to guide me while I bless the oils. Now, when I bless the oil, you take it and anything from the bottom up. So you go from the bottom to the top when you're blessing it. So you take it from the middle of the shaft as such. Y'all excuse my nails. I'm in the process of letting my nail beds rest for like 2 weeks before I go. And actually I'm going to have to get a new set because the nails, how long they were, if you see my other videos, they were mine. So I'm taking up kickboxing, so I have to get rid of my nails. So excuse them. I take it from the middle and I take the olive oil and I just bless the name. And doing it while I'm doing this, I say, Lord, bring all good intentions and positive intentions into this candle and to me. And as you can tell, I'm pulling that energy towards my body because I want to receive it. Then I turn it back around from the middle of the shaft and I said the same intentions. Lord, please bring all the blessings and prosperity unto me through this candle. Then I go on the inside and I go around it as well. Bless this candle for its intentions towards me. And then this is for my clarity, to bring clarity into me. So I do the same. I put the oil on it, my fingertips. Rub my fingertips together. Starting at the bottom again. Lord, I bring all intentions of clarity to me. Turn around. do the same thing. Lord, I bless all these intentions to me. And for this one, I'm asking for negativity to go away from my body, from anything. I want all negative energy, all negative vibes, any ill will, whatever the case may be, from anybody that it means any harm. So with this, you pull it away from you. Lord, release any negativity, negative vibes, negative energy away from me. And you do the same, you turn it around. And if you notice, I'm going in the opposite direction because I want that to be released from me. So Lord, please. Intentions, ill will, away from me. Then the extra step that I do, I know it's to each his own. I say my favorite affirmation. And my favorite affirmation is, I don't know if y'all can see these candles. There you go. My favorite affirmation to say is, I am a divine being worthy of all my desires. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. So be it, so it is. And then that's what I do when I'm blessing my candles. You can leave a comment down below and let me know what you do when you bless your candles. I love to see different avenues or different ways to bless candles. Like I said, normally, if it wasn't for a new moon, I bless them differently, and I also use my herbs and stuff when it comes to blessing that. But my intentions for this is all purity, all clarity, negativity to be released, and nothing but prosperity and abundance to come my way. Those are my intentions for this particular new moon. So each thing that I have my intentions for, I bless my candles differently for that specific reason. So I hope this helped everybody out. If you have any questions, feel free to hit my link down below. Comment me down below. DM me if you're on my Instagram. And until next time, y'all, many blessings. I'm about to get this money.